watching the chocolate so I'm watching the chocolate too.
Baka wala pa, may pabubuhay na.
Starlink yata.
Guys, I got the my view is the wing.
Are you not feeling cold there?
Huh?
Are you not feeling cold?
Blanky. It's an eye cover. Something weird is happening in that movie.
Ano po ba na?
So now I have space for my food. We got the window seat, y'all. We got the window seat. That's the weirdest view ever.
Ha?
We have a special guest. So what?
Tayo ulit tayo. Time tagaw. Dito tayo. Dito na tayo? Dito tayo. Pagka. B. Gitna naman ako. Ikaw na gaw. Oh, doon ako.
We have the special guest.
Ang ganda dito sa ano, sa may gitna, no? Oo. Pero una kasi ito eh. Bag. Una kasi ito eh. Bag. Daw.
Pwede siya mag-sir pillow may lang.
Something's going on.
Para nasa taas yung bag. Daw. Para di ka mag-lisod ba? Wala, mag-go. Bag. Masili lang. Pwede doon na doon. Yan mo na lang yan? Pwede. Ayaw. Dito na dito. May kuhan ka gaw, charger na kuhan gaw. Type C. Ano itong sa kuhan ko? Bag? Bag. Hindi pwede gaw? Iba yan sa... Dito na lang. Maiksi ka dito eh. Magamit pa to sa bubuk mungkin ya. Aku sebelah ya, Pak. Oh. Masih malayo pa sa akin daw.
Heading to the Philippines.
Kasi na
No one has idea except my grandparents. I mean my Lolo and Lola. This person is from that. Not even my brother knows. I already recorded one.
Tapos, yun na nga yung
For customers who have just joined us, welcome on board Qatar Airways and One with Alliance.
It's an announcement.
Please switch your luggage seat, the overhead switch compartment, or under the seat in front of you. Customers seated at emergency exit and photo seats in the area to all items. Please switch your phone devices and mobile phone to flight mode. And remember, smoking, including the use of lettuce matches and e-cigarettes is not permitted on board, including the water.
Pwede dito. Hindi kita mo na yan.
Why the bird is so low? Dr. Fuzzy.
So, taas. Yo. Welcome lang, gano'n ka na eh.
Pero you can connect na. Ano, paano ang video na yun?
Stop na yan.
Ano, wifi na?
Pero wifi ka na. We don't want.
Kasi,
Hindi ko lang gawin.